कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयातु। हैप्पी दसरा टू एवरीबडी। माताजी महाकाली, महालक्ष्मी, महासरस्वती, त्रिविध स्वरूपिणी माताजी, in the 9 days Navaratri days, all the Rakshasas killed for the Loka Kalyanam, Shumbha Nishumbhas, and Raktaksha, Raktabija, Dhumralochana, Madhukaitabha, all the Mahishasura, all the Rakshasas killed by the Mataji in these Navaratri days. These Navaratri days are very auspicious. Who are chanting the Mataji Nam? Om Sri Durgayai Namaha. Who are chanting this Nama? This is the powerful mantra. We are chanting every day, but in these 9 days, who are chanting, who are doing puja to Mataji, Durga Mata, that is very auspicious. For the Loka Kalyanam, for the universal peace in the Sai Mandir, Baldwin, we are every day performing the Chandi Havana, Chandi Saptashati, according to the Markandeya Mahapurana, according to the Vedavyasa Maharshi. Here Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, and the Lalita Sahasranamarchana, Kunkumarchana, Samuhika, Suvasin Yarchana Prita, that is the Mataji ka naam hai in the Brahmanda Puran. According to the Lalita Sahasranama, we are doing the Lalita Sahasranama Parayana in this mandir. Mataji bless everybody.
सर्वा बाधा प्रशमनम। चंडी पाठ का विधि से मैं अच्छा रहना और मेरा परिवार अच्छा रहना ऐसा संकल्प नहीं है। सारा लोक त्रैलोक्याधिपति इंद्र ने साक्षात इंद्र राज्याधिकार से माता जी का प्रार्थना करके चंडी पाठ बहुत अत्यंत श्रेष्ठतम कर्म है। इस नवरात्रि में देवी और महाकाली, महालक्ष्मी, महासरस्वती, बाला त्रिपुर सुंदरी, राजराजेश्वरी, श्री ललिता वरा भट्टारी का रूप में अवतार हुआ। ऐसी हवन कुंड में चिदग्नि कुंड संभूता देवकार्य समुद्यता माता जी यहाँ से उत्पन्न होके सर्वदानव का नाशन और भक्तजनों का कल्याणकारी माता जी होता है।
When devotees observe in the flame the form of Ma Durga or Ma Saraswati, how significant is that from your point of view?
Saraswati Mata is giving knowledge, Jnana Pradayini. Shuklam Brahma Vicharasara Parama Madhyan Jagadvyapinim Veena Pustakadharinim Abhayadam Jadyandhakarapaham। सभी भक्तों के ज्ञान प्रदायिनी सर्व शुक्ला सरस्वती है। माता जी एक ही है, एक एक रूप में एक एक काम करते हैं। इच्छा शक्ति, ज्ञान शक्ति, क्रिया शक्ति, these are the three Shakti Swarupas according to our Mahapuranas and according to our Vedavyasa Mahamuni described in our Puranas. Here all the Suvasinis chanting Lalita Sahasranama Parayana, that is the very auspicious in the 9 days, and everybody fasting, especially in these 9 days, most of the devotees fasting. In the Havan, Srinathji explained, Chidagnikunda Sambhuta, means the Mataji came from Avirbhava from the Agnikunda. Last year we did Yajna here. Durga Mata came in the flames, in the Agni. And this year we did the Saraswati mantras in the Chandi Saptashati. Dorbhir Yukta Chaturbhis Phatikamaണിമയീ Makshamalandadhana Haste Naikena Padmam Sitamapicha Shukam Pustakanchaparena. Mahasaraswati Devi in the standing pose with the Veena Pani. She appeared in the Agnihotra. That is the significance. All are here who seated here are very bhakti and shraddha with their devotion. And the Mataji is came and she gave darshan. Om Sri Durgayai Namaha. Om Sri Durgayai Namaha. Om Sri Durgayai Namaha. Om Sri Durgayai Namaha.